stretch your body and preparing for your beautiful split. So let's go now. So first exercise which I will do, we will try warm up our leg. So we slowly pushing our leg on ourselves and drawing a circle. So 2, 3, 4, and let's change the side slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that we're working with pushing our leg for our body. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will working with the legs. If you want good split, stay with me. Okay, we will working 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, after that I will try pushing legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and open our split. So amazing work. Let's back. Take our breath. Slowly breathe out and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe on me and watching my another videos. So bye bye.